Hello everyone, welcome back to ecommercetips. In this video, I will show you how to hide the product pricing and replace them with a link in your Shopify store. This is perfect for B2B e-commerce brand that want to restrict pricing and visible to login customers. You can see currently it's showing the pricing on the store everywhere. Let's go to hide the pricing and add the login link. Let's get started. Go to admin dashboard and click on online store. Now click on three dots button and click the edit code. Now let's find the code responsible for displaying prices. As I am using the Dawn theme, I have found one code in this snippet. This will vary depending on your theme. Let's adding the code. I have started with the adding the condition to check whether the customer is logged in or not. If yes, then see the pricing. Otherwise, just show the link with the account URL. You can add the condition by using the curly bracelet with percentage. Now use the if keyword and type the customer. Right after this, add the true statement, then type again curly bracelet with the percentage and type the else keyword. Then you can type the false statement. In the false statement, I have added the login URL. I have also using the styling for Z-index and positioning. Now close the if condition by using the curly bracelet with the percentage sign and use the end if keyword. Let's preview to see the changes. I'm scrolling down and see the link are displaying and URL is working fine. Let's go back and check the product page. Here you can see the price. Now let's find the code for the product page and update it accordingly. Go back to the code editor and find the file for the product page pricing. Find the code and replace with the same code as previously we do it. And that's it. Let's save the code and check the theme preview. Go to your theme, click on the product to see the product page and see there is no price but the link to login. Now only login user can see the product price, making your B2B store more secure and professional. For more Shopify tutorials, make sure to subscribe the ecommercetips.